Imagine stepping back in time, but with a playful twist. Today, we're snapping together the past and present with the LEGO Typewriter 21327. This isn't just any LEGO set. With 2,079 pieces, this model captures the charm of an old-school typewriter, complete with moving keys and carriage. As you build, each piece clicks into place like a well-typed sentence. And let's talk about the details. They're stunning. From the type bars that actually move to the beautiful mint green color scheme, it's a feast for the eyes. It's not just about the finished product, it's about the journey there, full of anticipation and little aha moments. So, how do I rate the LEGO Typewriter 21327? Drumroll please. A solid 9.8 out of 10. It's a near-perfect blend of complexity, nostalgia, and sheer beauty. A must-have for LEGO enthusiasts and vintage fans alike. Build it, display it, and watch the conversation start.